Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection on a new construction, new home, custom home being built here, and actually this is the foundation inspection. And what I wanted to share with you is some of the things. I see how we got this wood around here that's kind of has been forming up for the garage here. You see this is the garage section here. Well, if you leave this wood in here, this is termite food. This is not what we want. This is really kind of unacceptable. That I got a feeling they're going to leave it, but I will be passing this on to my people that's hired me to come out here and take a look. Look at the debris in this overfill here in this garage. I hope that they get all this cleaned out here too. It's pretty filthy. This is all termite food. See, they've even threw some rock or brick in here from some other job. And look at that. I mean, they're throwing their trash in here. Look at this. They're throwing their trash in here. This is filthy. This is a custom home. Come on. Stop it. This is a high-dollar home, and you're just treating it like a landfill? All right, unacceptable. Anyway, folks, you got a job that you're needing to get, a construction job you need to get inspected, give us a call, Galloway Building Services. And share these if you like our report or these videos. Share them with your friends and family so they won't possibly get ripped off. If they don't have a chance to hire me, at least they won't get ripped off like these people. Oh, this is bad. This is sad. So sad. Not acceptable. Anyway, thank you, folks. Have a great day. Galloway Building Services.